Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a practical tutorial on how to block a user on Discord, whether you're using the desktop version or your mobile device. Blocking someone not only prevents them from interacting with you, but also ensures a more enjoyable and secure online experience. So, let's get started. Desktop blocking process. Firstly, if you're on desktop, the process is straightforward. Simply right-click on the username of the person you want to block. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Block. It's as simple as that. Now, let's move on to the mobile platform. Mobile blocking process. For our mobile users, blocking someone is just a few taps away. Start by tapping on the profile picture of the user in question. Next, look for the ellipses, those three dots, and tap on them. From the options that appear, choose Block. Now, let's explore what happens once a user is successfully blocked. Effects of blocking a user. Once you've blocked a user on Discord, several things happen. Firstly, they won't be able to ping or tag you in the chat anymore. If the blocked user was on your friends list, Discord will automatically remove them. In shared channels, their messages will be hidden by default, providing you with a cleaner chat experience. Viewing hidden messages. If you ever need to view messages from a blocked user in shared channels, don't worry. You can easily do so by clicking or tapping to reveal them. This way, you maintain control over the content you see and can manage it according to your preferences. Direct messages and notifications. If the blocked user attempts to send you a direct message, they'll encounter an error message, preventing them from reaching you. Importantly, Discord ensures that no notification is sent to the blocked user, maintaining your privacy and peace of mind. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on blocking and managing users on Discord. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, this simple process can significantly enhance your online experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching and happy Discording!